Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about one of the most fascinating topics in life: human reproduction. It's the way we all came to existence, and there's a lot more to it than what meets the eye. So, let's jump right into it. Shot 1. The miracle of life. Human reproduction is a dynamic process that exemplifies the incredible complexity and synchronicity of the human body. Reproduction begins when a mature sperm cell, produced within the testicles of a male, embarks on a remarkable journey to unite with an egg cell. With impeccable precision, the sperm cell navigates through the intricate labyrinth of the female reproductive system, propelled by its tiny tail. Upon reaching the egg cell, which is produced within the ovaries of a female, the sperm fuses with it, instantly creating a miraculous entity known as a zygote. This single cell holds the potential to develop into a living, breathing human being. Over time, this extraordinary zygote transforms into an embryo, organically unfolding with astonishing intricacy and diversity. Gradually, the embryo grows and matures, undergoing numerous delicate stages of development until it ultimately evolves into a fetus, proudly preparing to embark on the extraordinary journey of life. Shot 2. The male reproductive system. The male reproductive system is a complex network of organs that work together to ensure the production and delivery of sperm for procreation. At the core of this system are the testes, which serve as the primary source of sperm production. Located within the scrotum, the testes house numerous tiny tubules where sperm cells are continuously produced through a process called spermatogenesis. Once formed, these immature sperm cells are then transported to the epididymis, a tightly coiled tube that lies adjacent to each testicle. It is within the epididymis that the sperm cells undergo maturation, gaining the ability to swim and fertilize an egg upon ejaculation. During sexual intercourse, the vas deferens takes center stage, as it serves as the main conduit for transporting the mature sperm cells from the epididymis to the urethra. This journey is carefully orchestrated to ensure that the sperm cells are released at the right moment for fertilization. As the sperm cells pass through the vas deferens, they encounter contributions from the seminal vesicles and the prostate gland. These accessory glands produce seminal fluid, which combines with the sperm cells in the urethra to create semen. Finally, when the moment of ejaculation arrives, the semen is forcefully expelled from the body through the penis, allowing it to enter the female reproductive system and potentially fertilize an egg. This intricate process highlights the remarkable complexity and efficiency of the male reproductive system as it fulfills its vital role in the continuation of human life. Shot 3. The female reproductive system. The cervix, located at the lower end of the uterus, acts as a barrier to protect the uterus from any infections. It also plays a significant role in childbirth. The vagina, also known as the birth canal, is a muscular tube connecting the cervix to the external genitalia. During sexual intercourse, the muscles in the vagina contract and relax, providing pleasure. However, the vagina is a vulnerable site for infections and requires proper hygiene. The female reproductive system is a complex mechanism essential for the continuation of human life. Therefore, proper care and maintenance are crucial to avoid any complications and ensure a healthy reproductive life. Shot 4. The process of fertilization. After the zygote is implanted in the uterus, it undergoes a series of complex changes that shape the formation of an embryo. During this stage, the inner lining of the uterus, called the endometrium, thickens and develops specialized structures known as the placenta and umbilical cord. The placenta plays a vital role in facilitating the exchange of nutrients, oxygen, and waste products between the mother and the developing embryo. It also produces hormones necessary for the maintenance of pregnancy. As the embryo continues to grow, it is surrounded by a protective amniotic sac filled with amniotic fluid. This fluid serves as a cushion, providing a safe environment and allowing the embryo to move and develop without restrictions. As time goes on, the zygote transforms into a blastocyst, and eventually, an embryo with distinct features and organs. The uterus continues to support the growing fetus throughout the stages of pregnancy, ensuring its well-being until it is ready for birth. Shot 5. Prenatal development. During the germinal stage of prenatal development, the fertilized egg divides and forms into a blastocyst, which is later implanted in the uterus. The blastocyst consists of an outer layer that will eventually become the placenta and an embryonic disc that will develop into the embryo. The embryonic stage, which lasts for around 8 weeks, is characterized by the development of vital organs such as the heart, lungs, and brain. By the end of the embryonic stage, the fetus has grown to around 3 inches in length and weighs around 1 ounce. The fetal stage is marked by the continued growth and refinement of the organs and systems developed in the embryonic stage. This stage lasts from the 9th week until conception and is marked by the development of physical features such as hair, nails, and the ability to kick and hear sounds. By the end of the fetal stage, the fetus is fully developed and ready to be born.